7 Beauty and Uniqueness of Indonesia. Indonesia is a piece of heaven that God dropped to earth. Lots of beauty and uniqueness in this equatorial country. And to the point we'll reveal the 7 beauties and uniqueness of Indonesia.
One. Natural beauty. Indonesia has extraordinary natural beauty, from mountains, beaches, lakes, to dense tropical forests. Examples are Mount Bromo in East Java, Kuta Beach in Bali, Lake Toba in North Sumatra, and Komodo National Park in East Nusa Tenggara. Two. Biodiversity. Indonesia is one of the countries with the greatest biodiversity in the world. Indonesia's tropical rain forests are home to thousands of rare species of plants and animals, including orangutans, Sumatran tigers and Komodo dragons. 3. Diverse culture. Indonesia is made up of various tribes and cultures that have a wealth of unique cultural heritage. Each region has its own art, dance, culinary and traditional ceremonies. 4. Burro Temple. Burro Temple, which is located in central Java, is one of the amazing wonders of the world. This temple is the largest Buddhist monument in the world and attracts tourists from all over the world. 5. Bali Island. The island of Bali is very famous for its beautiful beaches, views of green rice fields, and its rich Hindu Balinese tradition. The island is also known for its vibrant arts and culture, as well as tourist destinations such as Ubud and Tanah Lot. 6. Exotic oceans. Indonesia has stunning marine waters, including beautiful coral reefs and rich underwater life. Islands such as Raja Ampat in West Papua and the Gili Islands in Lombok are known for the beauty and diversity of their underwater world. 7. Historical heritage. Indonesia has many interesting historical heritages, such as Prambanan Temple, Dieng Temple, and Fort Rotterdam in Makassar. These buildings reflect Indonesia's ancient civilization and history. Of course, there are many other beauties in Indonesia that cannot be included in this list. This country has tremendous tourism potential and offers an unforgettable experience for its visitors.